the Blizzard RCCA. So earlier we were also on the Firebird TI. So difference being this is the carbon version. A little bit more forgiving than the TI, but still performs absolutely brilliantly. Very, very good at long turns, feels very, very grippy through the turn, but also super, super smooth. Very good at high speed, and if you want to throw in a few short turns with the slightly softer makeup than the TI, it's still very, very versatile. Definitely good if you're wanting a high-speed performance ski and you're a good level. I would have said at a more advanced level skier, you're going to absolutely love this ski.